What's up, guys? This is Coding with Keel, and I am going to sort of kill a little bit of time before bed, trying to wind down, and I'm just gonna record me making a Pygame window. Uh, I'm not extremely fluent in this, so yeah, this is sort of like if you're watching this, then you get the real authentic level of stuff. Um, yeah, so there you go. That's what I'm doing. Okay, so import the Pygame, initialize it, and we will say screen width with a W equals, let's do 1080, and we'll do screen height at 720. Okay, so one thing I like to do, honestly, if I was doing like a and initialize Pygame. If I was doing it like how you should or whatever, I like to put a space in between areas and then comment everything. But um, you know, I don't know how far into that I will go. Oh, dimensions, yeah. Just for timeless sake, this is more to like just kind of wind down and also make a little video. I'm gonna put out a episode 4 or 5 or wherever this ends up being at soon. Yeah, transitioning into a new job and doing school and yeah, all that kind of stuff. So let's see, screen dimensions, and we will say screen equals, and I don't look at the screen. Pygame.display dot, did I do dot? Set mode. Because I'm trying to do this by memory, and it autofills, which sometimes is great, but at the same time, I kind of want to turn it off because I don't want it to autofill. I want to completely remember this by memory. Let's see. So, okay, what do I have? Ugh. See, I don't like that. I could probably, let's see, without wasting too much time. Menus, editor, quick lists. Is it in this? I should be like, eventually I want to like stream an episode or something, just to, I don't know, like experience that. Maybe people will watch it and get on and like chat. Maybe they won't. Who knows? But in this moment, I would be like, where is it at? And hopefully somebody would be like, there it is right there. Let's see. What is it? What is that called? Predicted text? Something like that? Appearance and behavior. It's got to be there, right? Menus, toolbars, quick lists, path presentation assistance. No. Wait. Show action names in shortcut up in pop-up. I think it already does that. I'm wanting it to not do. Oh, I can go down more. Okay. side by side. Da, 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 da. What is this? What is that? Data editor and viewer. What is this? I have no idea what that is. I didn't make that, so who knows? Okay, what is it called? Predict. Here we go. Predictive. What is this? Grammar and style. Wait. Check in. Huh. Oh wait. Oh, what did I do? Let's see. Coding. Editing. Code. Editing. Show quick documentation. No. Oh, this is doing too much. We'll just do this. Okay. Pygame dot display set caption, and this is where you, yeah, we'll just name it hello people. The window when it pops up, what it'll say, and so we'll say, let's see, bg equals pygame dot pygame dot image dot load. Go back, boom. What do I have? Where did I make this? In this? What is it? Hello nighttime? Yeah, so I can use some of my assets. First area. Yeah, so I'll just do it like that. So since the folder's in there, you have to name the folder first. So it's assets slash, and then you do first underscore area, and what is it? Oh, underscore 1. Usually it tries to prompt. Ooh, this is a JPEG. Dot convert underscore alpha. Why is that? Oh, maybe I don't do it like that. Yeah, bg equals pygame dot transform dot scale, and so what this is doing is it's going to take 2 or 3 arguments based on how you look at it. We're going to be scaling the background to the screen width, and the screen height. Believe it or not, if I'm not recording a video, I can type fairly decent. Okay, so let's see. We'll also, now we'll define, let's see, clock, is it clock? Yeah, clock equals pygame dot time dot clock. And actually, I will do FPS equals 60, and just for this, you know, we'll kind of keep it like it is. Window setup. Yeah. And then we'll say, what am I missing here? Oh, we'll do player equals pygame dot rect, and then we'll say we're gonna put him at 250 and 300, and then we'll make him 50 by 50. So what this is doing is saying the top left corner of the square, the rectangle, is going to be at the 250th like spot of the screen, and then therefore the Y box will exist here, and this is the dimensions of it. Oh, and I think, can you add the? Oh, you can just add the color later. Oop. Let's see, and then pygame.rect, and then we'll say run equals true, and this is how you establish your while loop. So while run, and so anytime you like claim, you say while is sort of an inherent word, so it presupposes something, and usually that's what it follows. So while run, if we know run is true, then you can basically say while this is true, and you don't have to say true because run is true. So while run, and then you do. We're not gonna put our clock here because I'm pretty sure it should go like way below. So we'll say for event in pygame dot event get if event equals pygame dot quit, run equals false, and yeah, we're not gonna put we'll do system dot oh no, we can just do exit, right? Yeah, okay. You don't want pygame.quit right there. You want that like, whoop, here, pygame.quit, and that's how the actual game quits. Oop, let's do this. Tab. Am I in line with the 4? I'd rather be there though. Okay, so we'll say pygame dot display dot whoop display dot update, and this will update our window, so anything that happens. So we'll also say what is it, fill underscore back. How do you, what is this, fill, what is that? I'm trying to think. That's it, screen dot fill. If I could spell, then you have to, whoop. And we'll do 0, 0, 0. And we'll say you blit images. Yeah, so we'll say screen dot blit, and then we'll say bg comma, and then that'll be at the 0, 0 position. So basically, when you spell screen correctly, it doesn't have a problem with that. Yeah, so it's gonna, what's the issue here? Rename reference. No, I don't think so. I don't think it's necessary. I will separate the event handler, and then we will also do pygame dot draw dot rect, and then we're drawing it on the screen. This is where it gets, where I get lost sometimes. We're going to, is this where we assign the color? So we'll do 255, yeah, 255, whoop, comma 0, color, and that, and then player, and then can I do this? Yeah, okay, so that creates the thickness of the line, like the square, the outline. If I'm right, we're about to see. Let's see. Is this pretty much it? We have everything we need. Oh, this is where we call our. Oh, am I not in line? Yeah, I'm in line. Okay. Clock dot tick, and then we place FPS. Boom. And now we have like a. What's happening here? Oh, true. Yeah, you removed the parentheses because you only want them down there. Okay, let's run this. Let's see what happens. See what I've left out. Whoop. What do we got? There it is. Okay. Found. Okay. No file. Asset slash first area 1. Found in working directory. Really? Really? Whoa. Oh, did I make... Oh, I think I see what's happening. Okay. We're gonna copy, paste it. So I actually... Yep, that's fine. I thought that I had made it like in here, but I... Yeah, okay, I see. So I actually made it as this in a different file. So we'll actually remove the assets folder because now we have put it directly in the same folder. So let's run it again. bg equals pygame.image.load. No file. Oh, wait. Copy, cut. Wait, I mean delete. That's what I meant to do. Delete. Oh, did I? Oh, I put it in here? Super curious. Okay, so it should be in only. Why is there two only temples? That's kind of weird. This could be the issue, like altogether. Uh, okay, I know what we're gonna do to fix this, just to just so as it'll work. Assets, we're going to because what happened was I just put this file, or like I just created this file in uh, in like the wrong place. So new, this should be correct. Boom, and we will paste it. And this, if it doesn't work, I'm glad I didn't. Oh, did we not add a zero there? Guys, tell me I'm crazy, but I swear I remember adding 3 zeros there. Right? Okay, we'll find out. Boom! There it is. Alright, so that's how you start out. You throw a background up, put your little caption, and you create your player's rectangle. And like for the beginning of this, you know, this is before you're adding a surface image to the rectangle. You're just learning like how to put a background on the screen, how to make the background fit the screen when the size of the background file and the size of the screen window are different, which is why you define your background at uh, background equals pygame.image.load, and that's the path that you have to follow to basically load this image and then store it in this variable. But these variables are immutable, which means that you have to create another object of it. That sounds a little bit obscure, but we'll get there. But so you come back down, bg equals, and now you're sort of taking that previous bit of information and adding to it. bg equals pygame.transform.scale, and so these are like functions of the pygame module. And transform.scale means that we're going to be adjusting something up or down, and so we're adjusting this to in proportion to the screen height and width. If we were needed to, if the picture itself was extremely like a lot larger, we would use division to sort of cut it in half, things like that. And yeah, I mean this is a very simple setup. You just have your run. This creates your, we'll call it your run variable and while loop. And here are some of the things, tab, that we are stuff we want in the, oh no, we should say instances. Should we say instances? Not really, because we haven't added a lot to it. Let's just do this. Stuff we add to the window. And the place that we add stuff. Super layman's terms, but whatever, Basically it's saying when you're going to add stuff to this window, you're going to do it after your while loop, right? And then there's a bunch of more stuff that we'll add for our event handler. For right now, I'm going to close it out because I have to go to sleep. But yeah, this is a simple way to kind of just practice creating a window, you know. We'll go ahead and label this event handler, and I'll create a like a public um, GitHub to where I can put things like this, and if you want to just like go copy and paste it, put it in there, and like follow along when we create like a Pygame tutorial series, you know, that's fine. I'll have like all the assets or whatever that I make a lot of my own assets, so I'll add those in and let people have them for free. Uh, so yeah, um, damn, can I drag this over or what? Are you seeing this? I have to edit that out. Anyways, yeah, thank you guys for watching, and yeah, get on there and try to make you a make a make a little Pygame window. I mean, set your screen, display your caption. One last thing, I'll probably get this wrong. Pygame dot display. Whoop. Display dot set icon. Okay. Oop. And then we will do screen. No, wait. I think we have to load the icon first. Yeah, so we'll do icon equals, and then you go through the process, pygame dot image, no space, dot load, and then let's see what we got here. Whole bag, assets, stat, what is this? Yeah, we'll do that. It's one of the images that I created. I plan on putting it in the game. Okay, stat dot 1 mbg. Okay, so yeah, so wait, where are we at? Okay, put our parentheses and we'll say assets slash stat, and I am gonna go down, press enter on that one just because, you know. Okay, set, okay, icon equals pygame.image.load. Boom. Okay. Pygame.image.set icon. We can just do icon. And then this should work if I've done this right. Unless I have to do convert alpha. I might be wrong. Yeah, so there it is. Cool. Ooh, it's too small. You're not gonna be able to see it. Anyways, that is the that's that little statue. So that's that. Of course, we could, like I said, bring it in here and scale it up, make it a lot bigger. So that's something that we'll do in the next video. But yeah, just follow along. Try to code along with me, and then see what you can do from memory. Create a file right here and pop over. And I mean, don't feel bad about looking back, dude. Like, I mean, you just watched me stumble through this. Sometimes you forget, and you know, sometimes you just are on, and that's okay. It's these little bitty practice moments that really tie it all together. But yeah, put something in the comments. Let me know what you want to see, and thanks for watching.